Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the 7 key differences between climate change and global warming. Let's get started. 1. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in average weather patterns, while global warming specifically addresses the increase in Earth's surface temperature. 2. Global warming is caused by the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, primarily from human activities like burning fossil fuels. 3. On the other hand, climate change encompasses a broader range of impacts, including shifts in precipitation patterns, sea level rise, and extreme weather events. 4. The effects of global warming are predominantly felt through rising temperatures, which contribute to the melting of glaciers and the shrinking of ice caps. 5. In contrast, climate change affects the entire Earth system, influencing ecosystems, agriculture, biodiversity, and human health in various ways. 6. Global warming is a consequence of climate change, but the reverse is not true. Climate change can occur without significant global warming. 7. It is important to note that global warming is a measurable phenomenon, while climate change encompasses the complex interactions between different systems and variables. 8. Another difference lies in the temporal aspect. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in temperature, while climate change includes both long-term shifts and short-term fluctuations. 9. Global warming is primarily a scientific concept, supported by extensive research and evidence, while climate change involves a wider range of social, economic, and political considerations. 10. Moreover, tackling global warming often involves reducing greenhouse gas emissions, while addressing climate change requires a more comprehensive approach that includes adaptation and mitigation strategies. And there you have it, the 7 key differences between climate change and global warming. Remember, understanding these distinctions is crucial in our efforts to protect the planet and ensure a sustainable future for all. Stay tuned for more informative content and don't forget to like and subscribe.